Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Windows 10 computer back to factory default. There are two options when doing a Windows 10 reset. The first option keeps all of your files but removes programs and is great if you just want to do a refresh for yourself. The second option will wipe out all of your data from the computer while resetting and is what you want to do if you're going to sell or get rid of your computer. To find the reset options, right-click on the Start button and choose Settings. In here, choose Update and Security. On the left, select Recovery, and at the top of this page, choose Get Started under the Reset This PC. Here is where you'll see the two options that I was talking about before. If you want to reset your computer but keep all of your files, choose the top option. Remember that this will change all of your Windows settings back to default, remove any apps or programs that you've installed in the past, but it will keep all of your personal files. If you want to take a note of all the apps that will be removed during this process, choose the list here and write it down or take a picture like I do with your phone. When you're ready to start, choose Reset. Your computer will then start the reset process and will reboot when finished. Expect this process to take about a half an hour or more. Next, if you're about to sell or get rid of your computer and want to reset Windows and erase all of your data, choose Remove Everything. On the next screen, I recommend selecting Change Settings and turn on Data Erasure. This will remove your files, but also clean the hard drive, making it much harder for someone who knows what they're doing with data recovery to get back your files. Do note though that this process takes much longer to finish. Choose Confirm once you turn this on. Click Next and then you'll be taken to the final screen. Make sure that you're definitely ready to do this because once you do, everything will be deleted. That means taking any files that you want to keep and making sure that you have them stored somewhere else, like a flash drive or another computer. When you're ready, hit Reset. Your computer will then start the reset process, and when it's finished, it'll start like a brand new machine. And that's how you reset your Windows 10 computer back to factory default. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.